Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with stabilizer jacks, digital TV antenna, heated enclosed underbelly, spare tire and carrier, backup camera ready, outside shower, LED exterior lighting, solar power prep, roof ladder, outside speakers, water heater bypass, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, frameless windows, 5 slides, quad step entry, trifold sofa sleeper, central vacuum system, entertainment center, carbon monoxide detector, crown molding, 3-burner cooktop, 3-door refrigerator, underbed storage, bathroom cabinet with mirror, cable TV hookup, oven, bath and a half, solid surface kitchen countertops, living room fireplace. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.